it is crazy windy, crazy sunny. Also crazy windy. Morning. It is, as you can see, way more waves than what we've had before. The sun is already. The waves are really crashing in. Much bigger than what we've seen the last couple of days. It's coming up. Oh my goodness. Get a surfboard or a boogie board or something. And they're still opening up the pool, but look, here are the little lily pad things which you can jump across. They're tethered at the bottom. We're not out yet. Away from the beach, it doesn't look that bad. You can tell it's a little windy, but our Emerald Coast water tower is still standing. Old Glory is waving a lot there, I guess. Even on vacation, we have to start with our delicious ice-cold caffeinated beverages with a view. So here we are, about 2:30. Sort of sunny over there. Clouds appear to be moving over the ocean. But there is a rip current warning, and you're not supposed to go above your waist. Man, look out there. It's like raining. It's raining. Good afternoon. Here we are. We're hanging out on the patio, getting ready to head a couple places, but we've been down to swim. We had lunch in the room. We got some turkey and cheese yesterday from Publix and some bread and some pizza and stuff. So that's what we had for lunch. What a background. It's pretty nice, isn't it? It's been really, really fun so far. Really nice and relaxing. That school or college is here still. So about a half hour ago, they got done with whatever they were doing and they kind of took over the pool, which is fine. We were going to get out anyway, but there are a lot of people in the pool right now. We are at the Air Force Museum. Let's go in and take a look around. Look at these suits.
You can take your sunglasses off. Let's go. I want to know though, does it really protect you?
We're in like a hall of weapons. Oh, these rocket launchers. Holy cow, this one's like, looks like from James Bond. Look at all these shotguns. Before you come into weapons, look, you can see it's one missile apart, please. Safety first. Some sort of a Tommy gun. Machine gun. Yikes. Anti-tank rifle. Ooh. Danger. There's a 1/4 of a battle tank, a Russian battle tank. Look at this guy. Wow. I'm sorry, P-51 Mustang. That's a pretty big airplane, isn't it? There's a big old missile. This is a gigantic airplane. Oh, wow. F-80. We are entering Airborne Battlefield Command Control Center. A little ladder here. Watch your step. Okay. It said watch your step and I still tripped. Oh. Okay. Huh. Crazy. These planes are freaking hilarious, or humongous. Not hilarious, but they're humongous. Tomahawk cruise missile. There's more of that same missile, but look at that thing. Holy cow. So there's 2 floors here. The second floor kind of takes you through the history of all the involvement of the Americans in war, but here are all the planes that we just saw on the first floor. And also, look at the size of this American flag. Holy cow. February 1991. Shake and bake.
What is that? Is that
The Ohio Express. Here's a, what is this? An aerial lift truck. Wow, here's the Ohio Express. Whoa, locked and loaded coming at you. Here are the bombs that were on the old Ohio Express. Right there, see? Look at this, an ejection seat. Wow. We're in the gift shop and look at all these planes they got. I had this one growing up.
Can we get it?
All right. How are you?
These patches.
Can I get it?
Thank you.
Look at these awesome jackets. This shirt. Look at these little kid bomber jackets. Look at this one. Got some cool shirts up here. We're gonna have some dinner at Mary's Kitchen. Look at this, some chicken fingers, some mashed potatoes, even some cornbread. Look really good. Look at the size of this cheeseburger. And look at that, some chicken fries, green beans. Look at this, there's a kitty cat outside Publix. Hi kitty, every time we're here, she's just hanging out, relaxing. Back from dinner and a stop at Publix for more lunch meat. Here we are. Pool is not nearly as crowded. Sun is starting to set. Well, not set, but it's gone behind the buildings. And here we are. I'll head down a little bit. We got some pie to go from Mary's Kitchen, and I got Dutch apple. Oh my. Did not look good. Is it raining? night. Closing in on 9 o'clock. And we came out. We had fireworks, and we came out to check out the ocean. Still big waves. You can, you got a light going, but not much. Anyway, I don't know if I've really showed the pool, but here's the lazy river. Here's a little zero entry area. The rest of the lazy river. And closes in like a half hour, but it's been kind of raining. I mean, not exactly warm, but it's still open. And we're back to our little area. Here's our water. Ooh, light. Very relaxing. Let's see if this happens. There's a lightning show going on over my... There, see? All right, we're back in the room. We're actually out on the patio. There's lightning going on. The pool is closed. And it is like chilly. It's borderline. Almost need a sweatshirt out here. It's still like 80 degrees, but it's like super windy. And lightning going on behind us. We're on the 4th floor, but it's weird. So this pool is on the 2nd floor. That area down there is on the 1st floor. So like literally, that's only 2 floors down. That light that you keep seeing reflecting is literally lightning. So anyway, 1st floor, 2nd floor, and go. And wow. And also we have a little bit of a tragedy today. On those 3rd and 4th floor chairs, right? That one and that one. I put towels down early. The pool was starting to close up. Put towels down. Came back like 2 hours later, they were gone. People were like sitting there. And I went down to ask where they were, and they didn't speak English and did not want to talk to me. But we lost 2 towels, which stinks. I mean, they're towels, who cares? But I reserved those spots for us to go down and hang out, and it didn't work. Oh well. Tragedy. Tragedy at the pool. Okay, our day is done. I think I got burnt. Not so much here or here, but right in my top of my head. Anyway, it was a good day. Fun day. The waves were insane at the beach. We did not even really head down there at all. We had lunch in the room, went swimming for a couple hours, and then went to that cool Air Force Museum. So hopefully you enjoyed taking a look at everything. I didn't talk a lot because there were a lot of other people going through the exhibits and everything. So I tried to show what each thing was, but a lot of it was just kind of checking it out, taking it in. It was really cool to see. Philip really enjoyed it, I think. So, and then we had Mary's for dinner. Very, very good. Would highly recommend it. Chicken tenders were great. The burger literally, I think, was a half-pound burger. It was huge. And Heidi said that the barbecue was great. Or, I'm sorry, the chicken. What was it? Smoked chicken?
Smoked barbecue chicken.
Smoked barbecue chicken. Philip got the same as me. And we both agreed that the chicken strips are thumbs up. Stopped at Publix, picked up some more lunch meat and stuff for lunch tomorrow. And then I just ran out and got a couple things. Luke had some slides that were cloth with some padding that if you get those wet aren't great. So those are in the trash. Had to get him some new slides. And Philip wanted a beach hat, so got him a beach hat. He also has a little F-16 model kit he's going to do. He needs to finish that as well. But anyway, we're going to hit the sack. We're on Central Time, which is kind of messing us up because it's like 10 o'clock here, but 11 at home. And these days are just so exhausting. The beach and the pool wear you out. So it's a relaxing vacation. It's time to kind of recharge, regroup, but also you're exhausted at the end of the day. So thanks for being here. Appreciate all of you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Like the video. Be back tomorrow. Tomorrow we don't know what we're going to do. Probably going to eat lunch around here. We're going to get to the pool a little earlier. And then I don't know what we're going to do. A couple different options, and we'll see where the day takes us.